My name is from Elysia, and here at the Messe we present our new product, the new mpressor. A really great tool for mixing, for producing, for creative sound design and compressing, with a lot of new interesting feature in the compressor to do some very crazy things. So when we look here on the front plate, we have in the release time a new function that's called antilog. And so the release time is not linear, so we can switch to antilog, and so the release more obvious, and the compressor started to pumping and to breathing, and reverbs in a drum kit will come more to you and started to groove. Then the ratio goes up to negative values, so you can do some kind of overcompression, that very loud signals are going much down and you have some kind of decking. Then another new feature in this here is the maximum gain reduction. When I set it, for example, to 11 dB, my metering maximum goes to 11 dB. When I switch it off, it goes much more higher. In combination with the ratio, with the release and this control, I can do effects like negative gating, because the release time is so fast and go back. And so you can create very, very crazy effects with this compressor, which no other compressor is able to do. Then we have here a tilt filter to shape the sound. Here's the center frequency, and with this control you are able to enhance the frequencies above this frequency or reduce them to colorate and shape the sonic character of the compressor. Then we have an external sidechain input, so that the trigger for the compressor could be totally different. So you can, let's say, put a keyboard pad inside of the compressor, and the sidechain is a snare it, and so your keyboard pad will compress in the rhythmic of the snare drum or the drum kit what you put in. Yeah, let's have a look in the inside. As we can expect from Elysia, everything's fully discrete, analog here, with transistors, everything's running in constant class A mode, only very high components, and as you can see here, it's the same with the alpha compressor. This is a temperature controlling for several transistors under these aluminium to have the same temperature stable, so that the parameters will always be the same during a session. Here on the back side with the very big power supply, also very low noise, very good caps inside to have best performance for the completely audio pad. So the overall sonic performance is very high quality, very high end, and so it's the range for the compressor is very wide. You can use it for single tracking, for bass compressing, for effect compressing and everything. So you can do a lot of things with that. On the back panel we have here the I/O connections, and here also Sidechain inputs for the triggering things. Yeah, that's it. Hopefully you like it. In a few weeks we will do some demo stuff for hearing on the internet, and you get an impression how good this box sounds. Thank you.
Thank you, Ruben.